Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PM2 for Node.js process management on VPS, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your virtual private server, or VPS, using SSH. Use the terminal to log in with the command, SSH username at your _VPS_IP. Once logged in, confirm that you have Node.js installed by running Node.v. If Node.js is not installed, install it using a package manager like apt or yum, depending on your OS. Next, install PM2 globally using npm by executing the command, npm install PM2g. After the installation is complete, you can check if PM2 is installed by running PM2v. Now, navigate to your Node.js applications directory using the cd command. Start your application with PM2 using the command, PM2 start app.js, replacing app.js with your application's entry file. To manage your application better, you can give it a name by using the command, PM2 start app.js name myapp. Once the application has started, check the list of running applications by executing PM2 list. To save your current PM2 process list, run the command, PM2 save. To ensure that your PM2 processes restart automatically after a server reboot, set up PM2 startup scripts using PM2 startup. This will show you a command to run, copy and execute that command in the terminal. If at any point you want to view logs, use the command PM2 logs myapp. To stop your application, run PM2 stop myapp. If you need to restart your application, simply use PM2 restart myapp. For further management, you can delete the application with PM2 delete myapp. Maintain your PM2 installation by regularly updating it with the command npm update PM2g. You have now successfully registered and set up PM2 for managing your Node.js application on a VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.